Are you a doodler and ready to add some color to your art? Or maybe you're a coloring enthusiast, love coloring pages. Do you want to learn a little bit more about color and color schemes? Why some look better than others? Maybe you're trying to create some depth in your coloring. This class will give doodlers and colorists an understanding of color theory. Hi, I'm Charlotte DeMolay. I have been an artist and an instructor for over 25 years. 25 years. I work in a variety of media. I like watercolors, acrylics, pastels, pen and ink, pencil, everything. I like a lot of it because I like to learn. That's my favorite part about art. I'm always learning. And I love to teach. That's part of the fun of the learning, is then turn around and get to teach. Coffee Break Art is designed for the beginning art student. Someone who just loves art, loves to create, wants to learn something new. We'll start with the basic color wheel and its color combinations. Next, we'll add to our wheel and look at the effects of those color combinations. We'll also explore basic coloring materials and how to create our color schemes using them. We'll conclude with easy shading and highlighting techniques to create depth in the doodle. You'll create your class project by coloring one of your own doodles or pages, or one of the ones I'll provide. The goal of the class is to learn some basic color theory, different color combinations, and to have some fun. So grab your coffee, or maybe something stronger, and join me for coloring a doodle.